Hello, friends. It's been a little while, but we went to Utah to see my brother and his wife, and I never go there, but what I learned something, and so I'm going to share with you what my sister-in-law did. Come here, sweetheart. Show these. These are her hot pads, and she does it as she travels or as she watches TV or as she sits and talks to people, and they're really nice. They're very, very thick, double thickness, and it doesn't burn. These larger ones and smaller ones work as a trivet very, very nicely, and it's not always variegated thread that she's using. Like this one was just using up her scraps. She'd go for a while and then she'd tie something else on and go and go and go and go and go. And so there was no waste with these. You've got to make sure that it's 100% cotton yarn, because anything with nylon will transfer the heat and it gives you a nice burn sometimes. And so that was one thing she learned. They've filled some missions for our church, and she said she could be producing these and sharing them as she traveled, whether it was bus, car, or just sitting and waiting for different individuals. So I'm going to show you. It's really, really easy. This really isn't a YouTube on how to crochet, because you do need to know how to do a single stitch. But to review, you just make a slip knot, make a circle, and then put it through, okay? That's the beginning of a crochet. Now, that's way too large, isn't it? So all you have to do is slide it down to fit your needle. And you're saying, oh my goodness, what are you doing with that big of a needle? One, it's to show you, but I'm going to actually use this and make a blanket for a granddaughter that's coming soon. And it's a quick, easy. We live in Arizona. It will be warm in the wintertime. She's going to be a winter baby, but then you just begin, you just hook it, bring it through. That's your chain, okay? For the smaller hot pads, it was 57 chains, and then you turn, okay? We're not going to do it. This is just a matter of teaching you the principle. You go 57, and we're not even close to that yet. And then, let's say that's 57, which it's probably about 15 at the most. You come back to the beginning and you go through and pick up and bring it through and begin. You made a circle, a single crochet. So now you're going to go to the next chain and you're going to do that and single crochet. The next chain, pick it up and a single crochet, pull it through. Okay? When you do that, this circle is going to become what the yellow is right there. It is a circle. And you're thinking, okay, well, that's nice. It doesn't look like much. But look how she did it. She takes this and she gets her hook You've left a little bit of a tail as you begin, and you come through. Right here. I crochet a little tight, so it's hard to get it through the first one. And you just pull it through. So you're actually just sewing these together with your crochet hook. It's because my glasses aren't on and I didn't see I picked one up. And then you go to the next one. And you pull it through. Okay? Then you go to the next one. And pull it through. You're just sewing that together. I've done it here. I just looped those around and sewed it together like that, okay? So you've just looped it and got it all the way. Now, I want this tail to be inside, so I'm going to turn it, and then look what magically happens. It becomes a square, and you lace that together, and you have this. They're wonderful to give as gifts. People like them because they are so nice and thick. They don't burn through. But I have, look, here, I need to go at least one, maybe two more rounds to make that fit without puckering. And so that's how you know when to stop, is if you can lace one side and then fold it and do this until it meets evenly, then lace it and take your tail and pull it through. And see, I kept myself plenty to be able to do that. Hopefully this will be a fun craft that you might try. It's something that you could give to neighbors, to grandkids, or help yourself. Just enjoy the time that you might have when you're not up on your feet and being productive otherwise. Try it. I think you might like it. Thanks for tuning in. Bye-bye.